Okay, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I got this little radio kit here. It's a DIY soldering kit for putting together a radio. So I'm going to give it a shot. I've actually been wanting to do some of these kits for a while now, so finally got my hands on one and we're going to put it together. So let's get started. So unfortunately, either I misplaced it or it wasn't in the kit, but I am missing a button here. I'm assuming that this is a volume up and down button and this is a frequency button. So what I did is I started the volume up and down, and I'm going to put one frequency button, and hopefully I can cycle through the stations that way. If I find the button along the way, I'll solder it on. But just thought I'd point that out. Alright, so we got everything welded up, we got everything put in a case. I have it plugged into power, so we're going to power it on, see if it does what it's supposed to do. Alright, so everything seems like it is working. We are missing that button. I was not able to find it, so I don't know if I'll be able to circle back through the stations, but volume up and down working fine. That button's working fine. Power, everything seems to be working as it should be. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun putting this together, and I'll see you guys in the next one.